the best present under the tree.
So today I'm doing a little bit of Christmas shopping with my daughter. I was hoping to get done the other day, but it just didn't happen. We have a pretty big family, and well, who am I kidding? It's not going to happen today either. Christmas is just something that we have done a certain way for so many years, and it's about to come to an end. People are moving away, and that's sad, but I have memories. The way that we do Christmas is we make everyone open a gift at a time, and then when that person gets their gift, they pick one for somebody else, because I want to see what everyone gets. It takes us a couple of hours because it's like a ritual. Get our coffee, and we break in the middle for breakfast. You know, like I said, it's something that we won't always be able to do, but it's been just such a special memory and so much fun. And now we have an extra little one to open gifts, and that's going to be fun. Something I've been thinking about lately is if you want something, you've really got to work for it. And I am thinking in terms of health. We really do have to be intentional with what we eat, with moving our body. And I will have people say, you know, I want to heal from this or that, and they will not do what it takes. And so it's just, it's life, isn't it? And so I have goals. I have strong goals, and the reason why is because I want to be able to serve people well. I want to have the energy to be able to give and be the best yaya I can be, and be the best mom, be the best friend. I can't do that if I'm tapped out. And so it takes nutrients, it takes exercise, it takes a plan. And also with my walk with Christ, I have to be intentional with that too, don't I? So if I want to be able to have a good relationship with the Lord, I got to spend time with Him. And that takes being intentional. It takes work. We were created to work. We get to choose whether we're going to do it or not. And I don't want to sound preachy, but this is something personal for me that I have just realized more and more, that if you want something, you got to work for it. But it's worth it. Totally worth it.
Look how cute she looks. Isn't she adorable? In her cute little hat.
Meredith's moving and my life's over, but somehow I'm going to survive. I'm a survivor. I'm not going to give up.
I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I think I just saw another Christmas present on accident because we have a shared Amazon account.
If you share an Amazon account with your husband,
will you text him and tell him I'm getting sad?
order.
I love surprises. Like, that's like in life one of my favorite things is being surprised. I feel like I always just see something.
my dad was great. He was a great person, but he ruined every surprise I had, except for the last one, except for my 50th, because my husband caught on and he knew to not tell him until the last minute. Cheers. Some love.
That's why I died when I did VLOGMAS that one year.
I was encouraged to do VLOGMAS by this one over here. See?
We're getting a lemon loaf.
It's my 10%. You see how I eat. That's why I'm doing these videos. And the point of this is to show you my daily routine, because I have people ask me, how do you do this clean thing? If you're always living in restriction, you're going to tap out. So gotta have a little bit of fun in between, but it's not what you do some of the time that matters. It's what you do all the time.
Stay folded. Just uncross the legs. Inhale, chair pose. Drop the hips back and down and reach your arms tall. Breath out here. Exhale, revolved chair. Twist right.
First of all, I wanted Tracy to try my spinach tonics. Cheers.
Cheers. That's good to me. Yeah. Tastes better than the, you know when we juice?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was always afraid with the green one.
Yeah,
This
it's
is the
very
red.
mild, and man, is it doing good things for your body. And I love the green color. It's fun. I'll have this recipe on my website, but I wanted to talk a minute about, you know, what we've been doing this week, because we've worked out every day. And I wanted to hear from Tracy if she's noticed any changes, anything different this week since we've been doing it. We've been hitting it hard.
Yeah. No, you feel better when you work out, even when you don't want to. But my encouragement over here. Come over here and work out. Okay, I know I'm going to get it done.
Yes.
So, and I have been sleeping better, because I normally wake up a lot, and it's been more than 6 hours that I'm getting, which is really good.
Awesome. If you struggle with getting your workout in, get a friend, because the accountability is just amazing. Not only the accountability that you're gonna do it, but also that you're gonna do it maybe a little harder than you would have. And it's not a competition. I am not a competitive person. It's literally accountability.
Yeah.
So just an idea, you know, if you're struggling, get a friend in it with you. It makes all the difference in the world.
There's moves that she can do and I can't, and she does the heavier weights. I don't want to be completely, totally sore the next day, so I take it a little bit down, but it's just doing what you can.
I have been sore like nobody's business. What's for dinner? Can you sing the song? White people taco night. White people taco night. White people taco night. Tonight we're having tacos, and usually I fry the tortillas, but I cheated because it's a busy day, and we did the Trader Joe's organic kind that you just stick in the oven for 5 minutes, and they're really good. I gotta say, they're really good. Look at those if you like a nice crunch. And for a little chips and salsa, we have the late July. I made my own salsa. We do have some Mateos, but I don't know how old it is and I'm kind of scared. So I just made my own, and that's an ancient Chinese secret that we'll have to tell you later. Have some amazing 100% grass-fed beef with some avocado. We use the Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. And this is the organic raw cheddar cheese from Aldi. Tomatoes, lettuce, and onions. All yum. You ready to eat?
Yes.
Plate for the baby. Kimberly, can you explain to me what you just put on your taco?
Ketchup, and I'm proud of it.
Hold up. All right. Let's be fair here. Putting ketchup on a taco, it's some real white people stuff. But let's be honest here. Salsa, tomatoes, ketchup, tomatoes. It's a tomato.
Hey, you need to go potty outside? Let's go. Let's go potty outside. What are you doing? Are you going potty inside? I'm tired. You can tell. Anyway, I used to be a big cereal girl. I absolutely loved it, and I would eat it for a snack. I would eat it for breakfast. I would eat it for dessert. But did you know that there's not very many cereals that are actually healthy? Probably the ones that are, you wouldn't want to eat. So this is something that I will snack on sometimes if I get hungry, and I kind of have that little bit of a cereal craving, but much healthier option. So typically I make my own granola, but it's been a little busier than normal, so I bought the Purely Elizabeth, and I will just treat this as cereal. And then my coconut milk, which I water down. 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of water, and to me it's just perfect. Ma'am, how are things going? We got some good statistics going on there? Anything you need to tell me? Okay, I'll make changes on Monday morning. Thanks for all your help. Doing great, doing great.
Look at your PJs.
That coffee smells so good.
You want me to brew it?
No, I'm just gonna go to bed so I can wake up in the morning and have some.